Oh, this looks like a Brakelight Hesperaloe. And the cool thing about these is not only will they get the flowers, but they will put little bulbils, little babies on there. A lot of people don't know that you can just take them off and plant them. And just gonna use my regular cactus bonsai mix for these guys. Gonna wiggle it in to place. This is a 2-4-1, or a BOGO, or a Frigo. Just wiggle, and another wiggle it just a little bit. And we're just gonna give it a nice little shower bath. Let the soil get moist. And we're gonna sit him down by clay tanuki and see what it goes on after that. And checking on it 4 months later. Actually, I already started rooting, so we forgot about this, but it's fully rooted. Free plants, free Brakelight, Red Yucca or Hesperaloe.